Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between gross investment and net investment. These two important economic concepts help us understand how investment contributes to economic growth and the expansion of productive capacity. Although they are closely related, they have significant differences in meaning, calculation, and economic importance. Let us understand them one by one. Number 1. Gross investment refers to the total addition to capital stock during a period, whereas net investment refers to the addition to capital stock after deducting depreciation. Number 2. Gross investment includes depreciation, whereas net investment excludes depreciation. Number 3. Gross investment is calculated as net investment plus depreciation, whereas net investment is calculated as gross investment minus depreciation. Number 4. Gross investment shows the total spending on new capital assets, whereas net investment shows the actual increase in productive capacity. Number 5. Gross investment increases capital stock by the full amount invested, whereas net investment increases capital stock only by the amount remaining after accounting for wear and tear. Number 6. Gross investment indicates the overall scale of investment activity in the economy, whereas net investment indicates the actual growth of capital and productive capacity. Number 7. Gross investment is measured during a specific period before depreciation adjustment, whereas net investment is measured after allowing for depreciation during the same period. Number 8. Gross investment does not directly reflect the increase in output, whereas net investment is directly related to the potential increase in output. Number 9. Gross investment is not considered a true indicator of sustainable growth, whereas net investment is a better indicator of sustainable economic growth. Number 10. Higher depreciation increases gross investment when total spending remains unchanged, whereas higher depreciation reduces net investment. Number 11. Gross investment is recorded before charging depreciation, whereas net investment is recorded after charging depreciation. Number 12. Gross investment represents the total value of investment undertaken, whereas net investment represents the net addition to capital value. Number 13. Gross investment focuses on the total activity and effort of investors, whereas net investment focuses on the effective addition to productive assets. Number 14. Gross investment is used to analyze investment behavior and spending trends, whereas net investment is used to analyze growth, capacity expansion, and long-term progress. Number 15. Gross investment helps policymakers plan for resources, demand, and employment, whereas net investment helps policymakers assess real growth and future productive potential. Let us understand with an example. Suppose gross investment is $1,000 million and depreciation is $200 million. Net investment will be equal to gross investment minus depreciation. Therefore, net investment equals $1,000 million minus $200 million, which equals $800 million. This means only $800 million contributes to the actual growth of capital stock, while $200 million merely replaces worn-out assets. To summarize, gross investment measures how much is invested in total, whereas net investment measures how much the productive capacity of the economy actually increases after accounting for depreciation. Understanding this distinction is essential for evaluating economic growth, business expansion, and investment performance. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.